Asia's longest cave, Shuang Cave in China's Guizhou, has been found to be 409.9 kilometers long and 912 meters deep. This has made the cave the third longest in the world. Shuang Cave has been dubbed a karst natural cave museum. This year's cave expedition was conducted by the Provincial Mountain Resources Institute, the Provincial Cave Association, and over 30 researchers and explorers from China, France, Italy, and Belgium.
The exploration is an ongoing process, and every time we discover something new is a little more than the day before. Because there is here some values that are difficult to find in other places in the world.
The cave expedition team has also unearthed some paleontological fossils and geological relics. Researchers say that fossils can help provide a rare sample to understand the population genetic evolution history.